Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with shortcuts and photos ready. First, confirm your iOS is up to date and give photos permission to shortcuts. Next, open shortcuts and tap the plus to create a new shortcut. Choose the photos action and select your album. Once done, add a Get Latest Photos step and set the count because that determines which images appear. Make sure the shortcut ends with Save to Photo Album or Show Result so it returns images for the widget to display. Now you build the widget-ready logic inside the shortcut. You'll add image processing steps like resize or crop so photos fit widget dimensions, because widgets crop differently. If you want multiple photos, make a GIF or use a repeat with quick look to rotate images. Once the actions are ordered, tap the shortcut settings and enable Show in Widget. This exposes the shortcut to the home screen widgets. Finally, test it by running the shortcut to confirm images appear as expected before placing. Finish by placing the shortcuts widget on your home screen. Long press the background, tap plus, choose shortcuts, and pick the size that suits your album. Then tap the widget to select the shortcut you created so it runs in Widget. Once added, make sure images render. If the widget shows blank, four-squit shortcuts and photos, check Photos Permission and that Show in Widget is enabled, and verify your resize step matches the widget size. This usually fixes
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.